MDVR. It has 2 SD card slots and 1 SIM card slot. Here is the built-in camera. Now it can easily mount it on the window screen. It's okay. Now connect the ACC line and power line of the MDVR to the power line of the car. And connect the ground line of the MDVR to the ground line of the car. Connect it to the power. It's another IP camera to LLs you want to monitor. Connected to the MDVR. Now find the IP of the MDVR. Put into the password. Connect. Connected. Then enter the CMSV6. Find. Find it. Now basic setup. Basic information. Set the device number. Save it. Set successfully. Back. Net setup. CMS setup. Set the app IP address. Save. Okay. Re-enter the CMSV6 system. Click the system. To check the status of the MDVR, GPS module exists. 3G or 4G module exists, and the signal dial status success. Wi-Fi module, CMS status, link status success. Disk module, because we have just input one SD card, so it just showed one disk 1 IO module. Okay.